In this video, you will learn how to set up your account on one of the most popular exchanges, Binance. What are the security measures to be taken into account, how to register on Bitsgap with just a matter of 1 minute, and what is API key and how to connect it to Bitsgap to enable trading. With Bitsgap, you can have easy access to the all-in-one trading platform where you can connect all your cryptocurrency exchange accounts under one unified interface. You will be able to do exactly what you would do on your regular exchange account, but with some cool trading tools that we've developed at Bitsgap. To start trading through the Bitsgap platform, you need just two things: account on Bitsgap and API key from Binance. In order to use Bitsgap, you would need to connect your exchange account. To do that, you need to generate a special key on your exchange platform, which is known as API key. This key gives Bitsgap certain rights to execute trades on your behalf and see the trading history, but this won't give any access to your funds nor to your private information. By using the API key, you will not give any information about yourself nor any access to change your account settings or perform withdrawals. Everything will be limited based on your API settings. To get an API key, you must be registered at Binance. If you already have an account on Binance, then skip this step. Type in the URL address, which is binance.com, then click on register right here on the right corner of a front page. Next, use your email address and create a sophisticated password to ensure the highest level of possible protection. After you press create account, you will get a notification email for further authorization. Okay, so now as you created your Binance account, we strongly recommend you to use as many security tools as possible. That is SMS verification, Google Authentication, which is an application on smartphones, and security key. And finally, to create an API key, log into Binance and click on API Management section from the main page. Then come up with any name for your API key and click on Create. At this stage, you will get a phone verification code, email verification, and Google Authentication code if you have this option enabled. Submit, and here we go. This is your API key itself and a secret key also required to connect your Binance account to Bitsgap. Below, you will find all possible restrictions. So here, all you need is a can read access and enable spot and margin trading access. All is left to do is to copy-paste the API key over here and the secret key over here. And voila, you can finally start trading through Bitsgap with the full access to all trading and investment instruments that we've developed for you. Notice that we have a demo mode, which is a risk-free trading simulator where you have a virtual money to trade with. Use this mode to educate yourself through the functionality of Bitsgap before trading on real account.